Okay, let's solve some problems. Okay, the first problem is uh, find the equation of the right circular cylinder of radius 2 and whose axis is x minus 1 by 2, y plus 3 by minus 1 is equal to z minus 3 by 5. Okay, now given this information, what can we infer? Okay, looking at this, we know that radius is 2 units, and looking at this equation of the line, we know that the axis passes 1, minus 3, 3. Okay, and let us say this is equal to x1, y1, and z1. And we also know that the dr's of axis is 2 minus 1, 5. So given this, we know how to figure out the equation, isn't it? We know the equation is L square plus n square plus n square times x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square plus z minus z1 square minus L times x minus x1 plus y minus y1 plus z minus z1 the whole square is equal to radius square times L square plus m square plus n square. Okay, let's do the substitutions now. So therefore, L square 4 plus 1 plus 25 x minus 1 square plus y minus minus 3, that is plus 3 square plus z minus 3 square minus L is 2 times x minus 1 minus 1 times y plus 3, and then we have plus 5 times z minus 3, the whole square is equal to r is 2, so 4 times 2 square 4 plus 1 plus 25. Now let's do the simplification. So 30 times x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square plus 6y plus 9 plus z square minus 6z plus 9 minus 2x minus 2 minus y minus 3 plus 5z minus 15 square is equal to 4 times 30, which implies 30 times x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 6y minus 6z, and then we have 1 plus 9, 9, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 9, 19. So plus 19 minus 2x minus y plus 5z, and then we have minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Minus 5 minus 15 is minus 20 square is equal to 120. That is the equation of the right circular cylinder. Okay, let's do the second one. So here again we have to find the equation of the right circular cylinder, given that it is generated by revolving the line x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 3 by 2 is equal to z minus 5 by minus 1. About the line x plus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 3 by 2 is equal to z plus 5 by minus 1. So basically what you have is this is the axis, and you have another line, and you rotate this, right? You rotate this so that you form a cylinder. So let's try to figure out. So here the axis is which one? Here axis is the x plus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 3 by 2 is equal to z plus 5 by minus 1, because you are revolving this line about this line. Okay, so generator is one and the other one is the generator. So x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 3 by 2 is equal to z minus 5 by minus 1. Now, by looking at this itself, we can figure out that axis passes this point. What is that? Minus of this, minus of this, minus of this. So, which means minus 1, minus 3, minus 5. Right? Let us say this is equal to x1, y1, z1. Basically, we need a point on the axis. Okay, and we can also figure out that the drs of the axis are 2, 2, minus 1. So let us say this is L, M, and N. Okay, so here this is the radius, right? This is the radius. We require the radius to figure out the equation. This is nothing but the perpendicular distance between this line and this line, isn't it? So this is like the foot of the perpendicular. We know how to evaluate. So radius of the cylinder is the perpendicular distance from axis to the generator, which basically implies the distance from a point minus 1, minus 3, minus 5 to the line, that is the generator line. X minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 3 by 2 is equal to z minus 5 by 2. But this is the general equation, remember? So what we have to do is we have to use a particular line. So let us particular point. So let's say x2, y2, z2. So here x2, y2, z is the foot of the perpendicular from the point minus 1, minus 3, minus 5. Remember, here I have given this as perpendicular. Foot of the perpendicular would be this, because this is the point minus 1, minus 3, minus 5. Okay, so now that we have got that in place, let's take this equation and say it is equal to lambda. Okay, so which means x2 is equal to 2 lambda plus 1, y2 is equal to 2 lambda. By the way, this is not 2, 2, 2, it is 2, 2, minus 1 at the denominator, minus 1, right? 2, 2, minus 1. So 2 lambda plus 3 and z2 is equal to what do we have? Minus lambda plus 5. Now if we can figure out the lambda, then we are through. So how do we figure out the lambda? Remember, when we have perpendicularity, what is the condition for perpendicularity? Sum of the product of the direction ratios is equal to 0. So since, let us say, this is, I should have done it from beginning, A, and this is P, right? So AP would be what? AP is, remember, perpendicular to the line, which is a generator, and they are going to be perpendicular. So therefore 2 times and the line's direction ratio. Remember, we are using x2, y2, z2. So plus 2 times y2, actually it is minus minus 1, so plus 1. Similarly, y2 minus minus 3. So y2 plus 3. Here we have minus 1. So minus 1 times z2. Z2 what? Minus 5. So minus minus 5 is plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the condition for perpendicularity. which implies, now we do the substitutions. X2 is 2 lambda plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 times 2 lambda plus 3 plus 3 minus 1 times Z2 we substituted with minus lambda plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. So now what do we have? We have this becomes 2, this becomes 6, this becomes 10. So we have 4 lambda plus 4 plus 4 lambda plus 12 plus lambda minus 10 equal to 0. So 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 lambda plus 4 plus 12 is 16 minus 10 is 6 is equal to 0. So 9 lambda is equal to minus 6. Lambda is equal to minus 6 by 9, which is equal to minus 2 by 3. So we have got the lambda. So now we again evaluate x2. We know x2 is 2 lambda plus 1, which implies 2 times minus 2 by 3 plus 1, which is minus 4 by 3 plus 1, which is minus 1 by k. Now y2 is equal to 2 lambda plus 3. So 2 times minus 2 by 3 plus 3, which is minus 4 by 3 plus 3, which is equal to 9 minus 4, that is 5 by 3. And similarly, we need to figure out Z2. Z2 is minus lambda plus 5. Am I right? Yes, minus lambda plus 5, which is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 5, which is 2 by 3 plus 5, which is equal to 15 plus 2, 17 by 3. That means x2, y2, did I say x2, y2? X2, y, z2 is equal to minus 1 by 3, 5 by 3, and 17 by 3. So remember AP distance would be square root of minus 1 by 3 minus minus 1, that is plus 1 square, plus 5 by 3 plus 3 square, plus 17 by 3 plus 5 square. And let's evaluate this. This becomes 3 minus 1 to 2 by 3 square plus 9 plus 5, 14 by 3 square plus 32 by 3 square. This becomes 4 by 9 plus 196 by 9 plus 1024 by 9. Okay, this becomes 200. 1224 by 9. 3 threes, 3 fours, 3 eights, 3 ones, 3 3, 1, 3 threes, 3 6 8. So square root of 136. So we have got the radius. Okay. So now we have the drs, we have the radius. So let's write the equation of the right circular cylinder, which would be L square plus M square plus N square. That is 2 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 square. So 1 times x minus minus 1, that is plus 1 square, plus y plus 3 square plus z minus minus 5, that is plus 5 square, minus 2 times x plus 1 plus 2 times y plus 3 minus 1 z plus 5, the whole square is equal to r square, that is 136 times L square plus M square plus N square. Now we need to simplify this. This becomes 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9, x square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square plus 6y plus 9 plus z square plus 10z plus 25 minus 2x plus 2 plus 2y plus 6 minus z minus 5 the whole square is equal to 136 times 9. This implies x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 6y plus 10z. Then we have 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 25 is 35 minus 2x plus 2y minus z. 6 plus 2, 8 minus 5, 3 plus 3 square is equal to 1, 2, 2, 4. So that is the equation of the cylinder. Okay, now let's do the third problem. Now here we have to find the equation of a right circular cylinder whose generators such the sphere square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9 and are parallel to the line x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 3 by minus 1 is equal to z minus 3 by 5. Okay, now think of it like this. You have these are generators and you have the axis and you have a sphere. Yes, you have the sphere which touches the generators. Okay, that is one thing. And it is parallel to the generator is parallel to this line. That means axis is also parallel to. So let's take it one by one. Generator touches the sphere, which implies that the center of the sphere is equal to center of cylinder. Yes. It also means that the radius of the sphere is equal to radius of the cylinder. In general, a sphere we write it as x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square plus z minus z1 square is equal to r square, right? But here if you notice in this equation of the sphere, x1, y1, z1 is not there at all, which implies that x1 equal to 0, y1 equal to 0 and z1 equal to 0. Therefore, the center of the sphere is 0, 0, 0. The radius of the sphere is equal to, remember, it says 9. So r square means what? 3 square. So that means 3. Okay. That means the center of the cylinder is also 0, 0, 0 and radius of the cylinder is also 3 units. Now, the next piece of information that is given to us is generator is parallel to the line x minus 1 by 2 equal to y plus 3 by minus 1 is equal to z minus 3 by 5, which implies that the axis is also parallel to the line, which implies that the drs of the axis is 2, minus 1, 5. So now we have got the drs, we have the center, we have the, okay, so we have got all the things necessary. So the equation of the cylinder is going to be L square, n square, n square. So 4 plus 1 plus 25. Then we have the center, that is 0, 0, 0, 0. So x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square plus z minus 0 square minus, now the direction ratios are 2 times x minus 0 plus, no, minus is there, so direction ratio is minus 1, so minus 1 times y minus 0 plus 5 times z minus 0 the whole square is equal to the radius square r square. So that is 3 square, that is 9 times L square plus m square plus n square. Now see 30 x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus y plus 5z square is equal to 30 to 70. That is the equation of the cylinder whose generators touch the sphere, given sphere, and is parallel to the given. That's it. Bye.